Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get relief from plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis, also known as jogger's heel, is a common disorder that causes acute pain in the heel and the sole of the foot. Common signs and symptoms of plantar fasciitis are heel pain, inflammation, pain in the foot arch, difficulty walking or standing, limping, acute pain after brief weight-bearing activities, and stiffness in the heel after long periods of inactivity. Here are some simple exercises to get relief from plantar fasciitis pain. Exercise number 1. Foot stretch. Sit comfortably on a chair and cross your leg with the aching foot over your other leg. Hold your big toe and gently pull it back toward you. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds, then release. Do 5 reps per session. Do this 3 times a day until you get complete relief from the pain. Exercise number 2. Ball rolling. Another exercise you can easily do to manage the pain is ball rolling. Sit down on a chair and place a ball under your aching foot. The ball should be the size of a golf ball. Roll your foot over the ball while applying downward pressure. Continue doing so for 10 minutes. Do this 3 or 4 times daily to wake up pain-free in the morning. Exercise number 3. Calf stretch. Stand in front of a wall with the affected leg stretched out behind you, keeping the heel in contact with the floor. Lean forward and press against the wall with your hands. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, then stand up straight. Do 3 reps per session. Do this 3 or 4 times every day to strengthen your calf muscle. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.